아는 사이에서 쓰는 한국어 인사 대화. Korean greetings in real conversation.
Basic greeting, A. 안녕하세요, B. 안녕하세요. Explanation, when person A says 안녕하세요, it means hello in Korean. Person B will respond in the same way. This is a polite and standard greeting for any situation. 2. Long time no see, A. 오랜만이에요, B. 그러게요, 잘 지내셨어요? Explanation, when person A says 오랜만이에요, it's like saying long time no see in English. Person B then acknowledges the time apart and asks, how have you been? It's a warm way to reconnect. Asking how someone is, A. 잘 지내셨어요? B. 네, 그냥 바쁘게 지냈어요. Explanation, when person A asks 잘 지내셨어요, it's like asking how have you been in English. Person B usually replies that they've been busy or that they're doing well. It's a friendly check-in. Checking in when they arrive, A. 오셨어요? B. 네, 방금 왔어요. Explanation, when person A says 오셨어요, it's like saying, oh, you're here already in English. Person B will then let them know that they just arrived. It's a simple, welcoming exchange. Unexpected meeting, A. 여기서 뵙네요. 그러게요, 우연이네요. Explanation, when person A says 여기서 뵙네요, it's like saying, fancy seeing you here. Person B responds by acknowledging the coincidence. It's a friendly surprise when you run into someone unexpectedly. Expressing warmth, A. 정말 반가워요, B. 저도 반가워요. Explanation, when person A says 정말 반가워요, it means it's really good to see you. Person B responds with 저도 반가워요, meaning good to see you too. It's a warm and friendly exchange. Talking about the weather, A. 오늘 날씨 좋네요, B. 네, 나오기 딱 좋아요. Explanation, when person A says 오늘 날씨 좋네요, it's like saying the weather's really nice today. Person B agrees by saying 네, 나오기 딱 좋아요, meaning yeah, perfect day to be out. This is a common way to start a casual conversation. 요즘 많이 바쁘시죠? B. 네, 좀 정신없네요. Explanation, when person A asks 요즘 많이 바쁘시죠? It's like asking, you've been pretty busy lately, right? Person B responds that things have been hectic. This shows understanding and empathy. Casual check-in, A. 그래도 잘 지내고 계시죠? B. 네, 그럭저럭요. When person A says 그래도 잘 지내고 계시죠, it's like asking, but you're doing okay, right, in English? Person B then replies, 네, 그럭저럭요, meaning, yeah, more or less. It's a casual way to confirm that everything is generally fine. Friendly closing, A. 오늘 보니까 좋네요, B. 저도요, 반가워요. Explanation, when person A says 오늘 보니까 좋네요, it's like saying, it's nice seeing you today. Person B responds with 저도요, 반가워요, meaning me too, glad to see you. This closes the conversation on a warm and friendly note.